Welcome friends. Today we'll discuss about the coming week world market and also Indian market. What we'll do. तो बात करेंगे आने वाले सप्ताह में कैसे रहेगी हमारी निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी की चाल. Before that we will analyze the world market. So this is friend chart of Dow Jones weekly chart. Okay, and Elliott wave count is given. So according to from 2020, it is the first cycle, second and third is running. Okay, so within that third, maybe the 1 and 2, third of 1 and 2 is running, and 3 4 5 is pending according to weekly chart of Dow Jones. Okay, so if you see the RSI, RSI जो है weekly RSI Dow Jones below 60. So there can be much weakness showing in negative divergence in RSI in weekly chart and daily chart also, that is below 50. So it's clearly indication that there's some pause in uptrend and going to fall more from here. So this can be the wave 1 and wave 2 is in progress. So in that case the possibility of wave 2 maximum fall can be up to this level, 30,800. that is maximum fall. Okay, but my assumptions that it should not fall below 35,000 level. So if fall to be happen here, अगर डाउ जोन्स को यहाँ गिनना है तो 35,000 तक ही जाएगा. 35,000 should fall and from there it should be reverse back. So minimum target minimum is 36,978. From here it can also reverse from this level, or it can also reverse from 50%, or it can also reverse from 61.8%, or maximum it can reverse from 0.81%. Okay, the maximum the fall, the more the upside will be. Okay, so this is the case of the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is currently in weakness has started and some fall in on the card. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones. Now Nasdaq is following the same. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. So from here to here it already done 0.78 and from fall is there 1 2 3 4 5. So first cycle is completed and going for the second cycle. So Nasdaq is in correction mode, तो ये भी गिरेगा, Dow Jones गिरेगा तो ये भी गिरेगा. So minimum target of Nasdaq should be 15,400. Okay, so 15,400 तक वेट करते हैं and from it will from there it can bounce. So this is the possibility of Nasdaq. Now we'll go to the before talking Nifty and Bank Nifty जाने से पहले मिड कैप देख ले. तो मिड कैप में जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 of third is running and we are in fifth wave. The fifth 1 and 2 completed, now fifth of third is started. Okay, so third wave started. So this is the 1, this is 2 and this is third, 4 and 5th. Like this will go. So now there is opportunity to go to add in mid cap, small cap and mid cap also. So अगर आप रैली मिस नहीं करना चाहते तो अच्छा टाइम है. अगर निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी और डाउ जोन्स गिरेगा तो निफ्टी भी गिरेगा, बैंक निफ्टी गिरेगा, लेकिन स्मॉल कैप मिड कैप आप उतना नहीं गिरेगा. there will be lesser possibility to fall in mid cap and small cap. If there is a fall, there is a big opportunity to buy quality stock in mid cap and small cap to make a good money and handsome money and very quick and fast money. ये अच्छा मौका मिलेगा आपको जल्दी से पैसा कमाने का, आपको रिटर्न भी अच्छा मिलेगा मिड कैप एंड स्मॉल कैप में. अगर आप इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो आप नीचे दिए हुए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पिंग कीजिए। टेलीग्राम में ऑलरेडी ऑफर दिया हुआ है। इन टेलीग्राम चैनल पंडित इन्वेस्ट offer is given, so you can go to that and can go good quality stock of mid cap and small cap. So this is the mid cap, and in small cap small cap 100. So look where it is going. Only target given 20,000 is the minimum target. Okay. So still 1 and 2 and third, fifth or third is running in mid cap, so sorry, small cap. So use possibility and use opportunity in small cap stocks. So focus on small cap. If you don't know which stocks to buy, then I can help you. So get the equity investment plan quickly. So this is small cap. RSI is now crossing 70 on weekly chart. On daily chart, if you go to daily chart on small cap, RSI is 60 above. It's very good. So they will enough run and energy in the small cap and mid cap stocks. So focus on small cap and mid cap stock rather than Nifty and Bank Nifty options, because too volatility. If you want to Nifty and Bank Nifty option under my guidance, अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस कॉल लेना चाहते हैं मेरे गाइडेंस के अंदर, तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और टेलीग्राम में ऑफ़र दिया हुआ है, उसको आप देख लीजिए, और नीचे नहीं तो व्हाट्सएप में दिया हुआ है, उसको आप पिंग करके पूछ सकते हैं। अगर अच्छा प्रॉफिट कमाना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट मल्टीपल कॉल्स इन निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो इन फिन निफ्टी, देन आई कैन गिव यू। I have experienced more than 10 years, 14 years in options. So this is small cap, and let's go to the bank nifty. Before we small cap, we talk to the CN IT stock also. CN is IT. So IT I think is now ready to bounce from here. Let's go to the weekly chart. Yes, there is some positive slightly turning up. Still can fall up to this level 30, but we need a confirmations is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, A B C done. So trend line has broken, so this is also a support area. Okay, so in coming week, if a red candle bearish engulfing curve form below this trend line channel, then be alert in IT index stocks. Okay, so if it's a, though it is a bullish harami candle in weekly chart, if you don't know what is bullish harami, what is this candle called, this is called a bearish engulfing curve. So there was a video on candlestick strategy. कैंडलस्टिक स्ट्रेटजी अगर जानना है आपको, इस कैंडल को क्या कहते हैं, इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, इस कैंडल को क्या कहते हैं, इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, और इस कैंडलस्टिक देख के कैसे ट्रेडिंग करना है, हाउ टू ट्रेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कैंडल, how to recognize which candle is telling us what, then I have the video on candlestick strategy, and also 3 rules candlestick strategy. If you want to, then ping me on WhatsApp. I will give you the recording of the video. So this is IT index. So this is support now here, and if any bullish engulfing curve formed in coming week, so it is a big movement can see in the stocks, IT stocks. If there is a bearish candle, red candle, so be alert in IT stocks. So there is a support area now. Let's see what market is doing on the coming week. So now this is the metal is already outperforming. So bet on metal stocks. I've given you already earlier. Steel Authority of India from 23 rupees. Now it is trading about 160 rupees in 5 years. Sorry, 4 years. Okay. So Steel Authority of India and many steel, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, focus on steel stocks in Hindustan Copper, Hindalco, can be multi-baggers from here. So just metal stock just started, uh, given a bullish engulfing curve above this trend line, and rocking, and it will rock for next 1 year. So invest in metal stocks. Auto is still outperforming all the index and is still in fifth wave, 1 2 3, so still going on. Pharma stocks again looking bullish, 2 3 4 5 years, एंड लुक जल्दी स्टॉप को क्रॉस करने वाला है, तो स्पेसिफिक फार्मा स्टॉक्स वेरी बुलिश फ्रॉम मी. जैसे कि 2020 में जो क्रैश हुए थे कुछ स्टॉक्स, उसके बाद जो चाल चली थी स्टॉक्स में, स्मॉल कैप मिड कैप में, जो सबसे पहला सिग्निफिकेंट रन जो हुआ है गिवन, दैट इज़ ऑन फार्मा. ओके, so you can see from weekly chart in pharma, massive run in pharma, uh, that is 6,272, now it is 19,000, so already 3x return given. And the next stocks, next sector was chemicals sector. Okay, so chemical stocks should be focused, and third is metals sector, and definitely auto sector is still booming. So now let's see the FMCG. ABC correction is done, I think so, or still pending, and then again it will go up. So it is consolidation मोड में चल रहा है, अभी करेक्शन मोड में चल रहा है FMGC, तो नीचे आने पे बाई करे. एनर्जी स्टॉक इज आउट परफॉर्मिंग. ओके, सो ऑल बिट कैप, एनर्जी, मेटल, रियलिटी स्टॉक ज़बरदस्त रैली है, तो स्टॉक्स में बाई कर सकते हैं रियलिटी स्टॉक्स में. PSU बैंक एवरग्रीन. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन 3 years PSU banks. So now it is breakout mode. Yes, ready to break out. So be alert on PSU banks. India VIX fallen. Gold already target hit, done 70,000. It can move to 75,000 further. Yes, third wave is done in silver, and fourth correction is going on, and then feed will start very soon for 96 and 1 lakh. So this is for commodity. Now we'll move to the Nifty. अगर अभी तक वीडियो अच्छा लगा लाइक करना ना भूले, जो पहली बार देख रहे हैं सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले, और बेल नोटिफिकेशन जरूर प्रेस कीजिएगा, सो दैट यू कैन गेट ऑल द अपडेट इन योर email box. So share this video also to your friends, relatives. Now yeah, this is the weekly chart of the Nifty, and wave count from 20,000 2020 is given, and this is the first cycle from March 2020 to October 21, and this is the second wave till June 22. Okay, and now what we are witnessing is the third bigger rally is going on. So अभी थर्ड वेव में चल रहा है. Within third wave, first, second, third, and third of third is continuing, and within this third of third, 1 and 2 and third is complete, and fourth is in progress. तो हम इसका एनालिसिस करेंगे. डेली चार्ट में जाए. So this is a daily chart. Now we will do the wave count of this. This could be 1, this is 2. Okay, and now यहाँ पे खिचड़ी बना हुआ है, क्या करना है, थोड़ा पॉसिबिलिटी डिफिकल्ट. यहाँ पे थर्ड हो सकता है, फोर्थ हो सकता है, या 5 होके कंप्लीट हो गया और थर्ड. इसका हम देखेंगे आवरली चार्ट. वी गो टू द आवरली चार्ट, देन वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट हैपेंड. तो दिस इज क्लियर. 1 and 2 समझ में आ रहा है. थर्ड हो सकता है यहाँ कंप्लीट हो, फोर्थ यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो सकता है, और फिफ्थ कंप्लीट हो गया है, नहीं हुआ है. अगर फिफ्थ कंप्लीट हो गया तो ये फोर्थ का जो लेवल है ब्रेक करना चाहिए, जो ब्रेक नहीं किया. 21,777 का सपोर्ट लिया था निफ्टी ने, तो यहाँ पे ये लेवल ब्रेक करना चाहिए था, ब्रेक नहीं हुआ. नहीं, ये लेवल ब्रेक हुआ शायद, राइट. इसका था 7110, थोड़ा सा रह गया ब्रेक करने में, तो ब्रेक नहीं किया इसका मतलब अपसाइड पेंडिंग है। अगर या तो अपसाइड पेंडिंग या तो यहाँ से लेके दिस वेव ए होना चाहिए, या तो ये वेव ए होगा, ये बी बन रहा होगा और फिर सी नीचे आएगा यहाँ तक। ओके, ये पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है, ये नहीं कर सकता ये ऐसा ही होगा, हो सकता है ऐसा केस। वी कैन ओनली प्रिडिक्ट, द रेस्ट इज मार्केट विल डू। So this can, first possibility is that wave A is done, B in progress and C is pending. Either B is also done and from Monday we can see a crack in market and then C will start. It will confirm on Monday. Okay. So this is the first possibility. इसको मैंने पहला possibility क्या है कि A B C चल रहा है, A B and C is pending. Okay, C is pending. Currently B is done. Second possibility is what? सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आपका ये फिफ्थ अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, फिफ्थ इज पेंडिंग। ओके, तो फिफ्थ अगर पेंडिंग है तो दिस कैन बी द ए बी सी, तो फिर ये एंडिंग डायगोनल चल रहा है, तो दिस कुड बी द 1, दिस इज 2, दिस कुड बी 3 और दिस कुड बी 4 एंड फिफ्थ इज पेंडिंग। ओके, तो एक पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है। सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी इज दिस, व्हाट इज द सेकेंड ऑप्शन? सेकेंड ऑप्शन यही है कि it could be the fifth is running, fifth of fifth is running. Okay, and within that fifth of fifth maybe 1 is done and 2 in progress and 3 4 5 is pending. Okay, now which option is looking better? It will decide by market. If this level is broken, then ABC will consider. If this level is broken, then fifth of 5 is will be considered. Okay, so both side is possibility. On let's see on this 15 minutes chart what will happen on Monday and Tuesday. तो मंडे ट्यूसडे कैसा रहेगा चार्ट वो देखते हैं। अगर यहाँ से हम देखें तो यहाँ से सिंगल लेग लग रहा है, तो हो सकता है आपका ये 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 इज पेंडिंग। नाउ इट इज दिस थर्ड, इस थर्ड के अंदर भी फिफ्थ लेग इज वी कैन विजिबल। दिस इज द 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is was the 5. Okay, इसको मैं कलर चेंज कर देता हूँ और रेड। सो ये आपका थर्ड यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ गैप ऑफ ओपनिंग का, फिर नीचे आया और नाउ दिस इज ए बी सी, ए बी एंड सी। सो व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट? इट इज क्लियर। ओके, नाउ fifth is pending, so gap of opening should be in that case. Otherwise if this level broken, gap down opening मंडे को अगर होता है, if there is a gap of opening below this level 22,300, this is the level is what 22,300. if Nifty broken 22,300, अगर 22,300 के नीचे ट्रेड करना शुरू करता है, 1 आवर कैंडल क्लोज बिलो 22,300 और मंडे क्लोज बिलो 22,300, देन दिस पॉसिबिलिटी विल बी नेगेटेड, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा। फिर क्या होगा? ए बी एंड सी वेव स्टार्ट। क्लियर? सो दिस इज द key level for Monday. Okay, otherwise if on Monday if this level broken and close above 22,560, 22,560 Monday, if close above this level, then this level is okay. Then 1 2 3 4 5 is wave count is okay, is correct. Clear? So both possibility I have given you from bearish point of view and bullish point of view. Let market will decide which way it will go. Okay, our job is finished. Our job is only for predictions. I am not 100%, I am not a god to predict the market. Market will predict himself. Okay, so on the basis of calculation, on the basis of Elliott wave learning, I have done the best possibility what market can do. Okay, so now this is the Nifty. Now let me go to the Bank Nifty. So definitely also have two possibility in Bank Nifty. First we go to the weekly chart. पहले हम weekly chart देखें. If you want to learn Elliott wave theory, how to trade Elliott wave, how to do this wave counting, so there is 2-month duration course. So you can join me with Elliott wave course. Okay, from 15 May the next batch is going to start Elliott wave theory from 15th May 2024. 15 मई 2024 से नया क्लास शुरू होगा एलियट वेव का. अगर आपको ज्वाइन करना है ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. द फीस इज 25,000 and if you plus addition if you want to do also candlestick then fees will 30,000. Okay, 2 months course and 15th May is the class will start. There will be 3 days or 2 in a class per week. It can also be in English and also can be Hindi. Okay, so now this is a weekly chart and 2020 से दिया हुआ है 1 and 2 is done and third is third between third 1 and 2 and third in progress. Okay, so now we go to the our daily chart. Let's see. From this we have 2 done here. Now we will analyze this one. It is very simple. So from here this is the 1, this is 2 and this is maybe a third, this can be the fourth and 50. Okay, थोड़ा बड़ा कर दूं. अगर ऐसा काउंट है तो फिर फिफ्थ जो है आपका कंप्लीट होने को आया है या नहीं देखते हैं. और यस, फिफ्थ मिनिमम टारगेट ऑलरेडी डन. फिफ्थ का जो मिनिमम टारगेट है 100% तो कर चुका है ऑलरेडी. फिर भी मिनिमम टारगेट जो आ रहा है 51,252. ओके, so there is possibility to move high upside in Bank Nifty. 51,000 level is pending to complete this wave count. So in that case we will analyze this one. Okay, so go to the hourly chart. Now this is the hourly chart. From here we can see 1 2 3 4 5. So this can be either 1 2 A B C. This could be A, this could be B, and this could be C. So this can be 1 A B C 2 and again is making A B and C. This is ending triangle is making in fifth wave, because always you can see zigzag formation. So it is a type of ending diagonal and it will take time to complete So if we go to this process, so this is your trade line. Okay, now we are here. So this is good A, B, C to complete wave A 1. This can be A and B and C to complete wave 2. And again it can be also a single leg third. It can be possible. It can be possible A, B, C to complete 4, and fifth is pending. Within that fifth wave, it should be A, B, C like that. It should be either A, B, C, B, and then C will come. So this is the scenario of possibility in बैंक निफ्टी. ओके, तो बैंक निफ्टी में अभी एक ही केस लग रहा है मेरे को कि थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएगा टिल 47,700 और 47,000 लेवल, एंड अगेन विट मूव अप, और यहाँ से ही मूवमेंट चालू हो जाएगा. 15 मिनट का चार्ट में देखें. If you see the 15 minutes chart, so this was the big gap down on 25th April and quickly reverse. So this is could be the A, and within this B wave, this is the B of A, this could be B of B, and this could be B of C. B, C, yes. So it could be B completed here. Okay, and now A, B, C, and this could be a C of A, C of B is running, and C of C will start very soon. So A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a C of A. C का A है, A, B, C का B है, और C का C हो सकता है शुरू हो. ठीक है, तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी है. अगर ध्यान रखिएगा, from bearish point of view, if bank nifty close below this level 47,700, then I will turn bearish. If bank nifty close below 17,700 on Monday, okay, or trade below hourly candle below this level, so I will be bearish, and the next target will be 47,000 on downside. Okay, now if a gap of opening and trade above this level, that is 48,700, 48,700. If bank nifty trading above this level, then we are witnessing 50,000 to 51,000 on the upside. Clear? So both level are given you. If this level is broken, then 47,500, and this broken, then 47,000 level. Okay, even we can see till 1,000 point, 46,700 is a support. That is 46,800 to 46,700. So on weekly basis, if this on weekly basis, अगर weekly chart coming week, if bank nifty close below 46,800, then it's too bearish, and we can see 4,000 fall from that level. Okay, so this is the scenario. कैसा लगा वीडियो? लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. ओके, दोस्तों वाचिंग फर्स्ट टाइम पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड पंडित इन्वेस्ट टेलीग्राम चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग इट.